Hello guys, welcome to another Trading with Technical Analysis video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to generate good profit in US dollar versus Swiss franc. I hope you like the video. I have already calculated the position size here, so that I can do risk management. Well, we should know our loss before placing a trade. You will see you after applying all the trades. Guys, there are $901 in this account which we will grow using the proper right strategy. You just watched the video till the end. Right now we are making very little profit. This profit will grow gradually. Now let me explain to you through technical analysis why I placed a sell trade here. Here I am doing a 30-minute time frame. Using this we can cover maximum points. Creating a trend channel is always the best option to know the market direction. For this I am using Trendline. On this trend line the market was moving upwards, creating higher low points. This trend line is also acting as support. We will connect all these support points properly because all the future analysis will be on this trend line basis. We will connect the second trend line at higher high points which was acting as resistance. The market was following the trend channel for the last few days, which will give us a perfect uptrend pattern. But now there is a trendline breakout here which increases the chances of the market going down significantly. Here our entry has happened at the right time. Here we can maintain a good risk to reward ratio. Now we will draw a strong support resistance level here. The market has created resistance and support points at this level. All these points are most important. Here you will see all the reversal points. Due to all these points a strong reversal level has been created. The market has broken the trend line as well as the strong support resistance level here. High percentage chance the market will go down from here as all our levels are drawn well, due to which we are getting high probability selling signals. The price is moving downwards rapidly here. Here my stop loss will be above the strong level and slightly outside the trend channel, which is 12 pip up. If this is a fake breakout, then we will be out of this trade because our stop loss will be easily hit here. And the target point will be 24 pip down where the market can make a new lower low. Here I am using risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, our profit has increased here. If we hold this trade with patience, then we will generate good profit from here. I place the stop loss in target point. Guys, our analysis has been done in the right direction. All the levels have been drawn properly. You can easily see the stop loss and target here. We will not close the trade until either of these is hit, because we are following all the proper rules here. No one knows in which direction the market will move. We predict the direction of the market through analysis, which has a 50% chance of being correct and a 50% chance of being wrong. See you guys after the stop loss or target is hit.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead.
Wow guys, nice move. We have caught a great move here. We get to see such moves only rarely. Those who are very sharp, our analysis was absolutely correct, which helped us reach the profit target. Always trust your strategy which you have used repeatedly. No strategy works in sideways market and all strategies work in trending market, so never change your strategy again and again. I will draw the next level and tell you where the market will reverse or not. At this level the market had created a resistance become support pattern in the uptrend channel, which we can call a strong reversal level of the market. Where the market is reversing repeatedly we may see support or resistance points at these levels in the future. Now the market has broken this level. Hence we can see a support becoming resistance pattern being formed here on shorter time frames, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Now we close our trade. Guys, we are currently making over $3,500 in profit. I grew this account from $901 to $4,444, where our account has already become 5x. If you deal with trading like a business, then you can generate good profit from here. You can take any business example, there is profit and loss in all of them. You should know how to handle the loss. If you like the video, then please like it. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.